So we have Kirsten na kasamahan ng kanyang sexy mommy na si Sherilyn and daddy na si Chris!
Up next, sasamahan ni nanay ang anak. Alright, we are back together with Sherilyn, Chris, and Kristen!
Good morning! Morning! Kaya naman natin inimbitahan itong pamilyang ito dahil ang balita ko tada, hindi lang si Kirsten ang talagang nagwa-wakeboard, kundi silang lahat talaga.
You mean buong family?
It's a family thing. Ito na Chris, how did it start? Is it because of you or is it because of Shay?
Kasi nung first isang Holy Week, we went to the Lago.
Ah, okay.
Tapos nagustuhan namin, we tried it.
Pero nung second time, Shay, nung trinay ninyo, bakit parang ibig sabihin nagustuhan nyo? Kasi,
Yes.
Why?
Kami naman, gusto namin yung tubig. Since yung mga bata pa, yung mga baby pa sila, pinagtatatapon ni Chris sa swimming pool. So siguro yun nasanay sa tubig.
How did you get into it?
Kasi sa Lago, meron nagko-Korean camp doon na Asian champion ng wakeboarding.
Ah, okay.
Naging close sa amin yung Asian champion na yun. Na ang nangyari tuloy, like in his own words, sabi niya, siya daw yung technical.
Yeah.
Ako yung, kumbaga ako yung discipline. Kumbaga pag tuturo niya, tapos sabi ko, no, do it. Parang ako yung nagpo-push, parang gano'n. Just like si Pao at saka si Kirsten, iba. Si Pao kasi competes.
Oo. At ito na, tatay si Paolo, nandiyan dyan sa audience. Please join us here, Paolo! Since naman earlier we said, diba tatay, na silang apat, talagang nag-wakeboard sila. Was it you, Paolo, who decided to really go into wakeboarding?
Yes po, pero si dad po rin nag-push sa akin with mom's help.
Tatay, ang galing.
Kasi
How old are you?
11 po.
11?
As a parent, hindi ba kayo natakot na, ako, delikado to, baka madisgrasya anak ko.
Ako, syempre, babae ako. Ayaw ko nasasaktan yung mga anak ko, di ba?
Oo.
Pero pag nasasaktan sila at medyo binibaby ko, ako yung napapagalitan ng tatay.
Oo.
So, hanggang sa natuto ako na, oo nga pala, sige, lalaki nga pala yung mga anak ko.
Oo.
Kailangan.
I want to ask Kirsten, why do you like wakeboard so much? What is it about the sport that you really, really love?
Kasi po in school, very cool. But, si Daddy, he helps me doing all the ramps.
Paano ang discipline yan between yung sports and school?
Ayan na.
Weekends yan eh, hindi ba?
Minsan talaga dala namin yung pag-aaralan niya. Yung ski park, nagbubukas 9:30, natatapos 4:30. So, from
Okay.
4:30, pwede na siyang mag-aral niyan.
Oo.
Then, next day ulit.
So after ng ride, instead of resting, let's say, may homework ka, kaya may lesson ka, kailangan mo mag-aral, di ba?
Yes po.
Dumadating ba sa point yun na parang ayaw niyang gawin yung mga schoolworks niya?
Actually, naman dating talaga yun. Kaya I just always ask him. Kasi there's a difference between si Kirsten at saka si Pao. Si Pao
Okay.
wants it to be his profession. Kumbaga, he really wants talagang eventually
Yes.
become a pro rider. Si Kirsten naman, it's more of hobby niya. He competed already against the world, sa worlds eh.
Ang galing
2 years ago.
naman!
So, yung discipline niya is different from Kirsten.
Ito na, question ko na lang. Last question para sa mga magulang. Ano ba ang tips ninyo para sa mga magulang na nanonood sa atin ngayon?
I just want to give them all the options in the world that they can do, lalo na when they're young. Start early, basta as long as you're doing it right. Kasi mas magandang at least meron na silang pupuntahan. Tapos whenever they feel down, yan naman role ng parents eh. So, uy, kaya mo pa yan. Parang gano'n.
Anyway, tatay, hindi mo na itatanong. It's the birthday of Kirsten today! At kaka-birthday din ni Paolo. Actually, belated na pala, tatay, kasi tatapos na pala yung birthday niya.
Birthday na
So,
sila
belated
dalawa.
happy birthday to you, Kirsten, and to you, Paolo. Belated happy birthday.
Meron kaming gift sa inyo, okay? For
Sa
the
inyo,
whole
pamilya.
family. I hope you guys will like it.
Thank you so much for guesting. This is for you guys. Ayan, o, diba? Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Thank you again, Chris.
Thank you,
Shay,
Chris. Thank you,
Paolo, Kirsten, thank you so much. And just enjoy what you're doing. Good job and congrats to you dahil sobrang ang galing mo. Thank you, thank you. Alright, tatay.
Alright, hindi pa kami natatapos dahil sa pagbabalik natin. Nanay, makikilala naman natin ang ating Mr. and Mrs. of the Day.
Nako,